What began as a hobby turned into a local TV show, and now it's about to go national.
News Channel 8's Jeff Greenwood shows us how a Madison County woman is about to make it big, showing you how to do it yourself. Right, Jeff?
Yeah, that's right, Cynthia. Well, many kids might recognize Michelle Beschen as the former host of a local show called Kids Club. Well, one thing led to another, and now she's the host of a show that's all about being original and doing things yourself.
That Kids Club girl.
The kids around town used to know her as the Kids Club girl. Now, parents across the country will soon know Michelle Beschen as the woman who helps you do it yourself and be original.
B.Original premieres 9:25 at noon on DIY.
Michelle is putting the finishing touches on promotions for her upcoming show called B.Original. It's about to debut on the DIY or Do-It-Yourself Network and HGTV or Home and Garden Television. Michelle's show is all about taking common objects and turning them into things.
And it's all about trying to come up with unique ways to do things and put your own mark on your surroundings and express yourself creatively. It's not be afraid.
Michelle is not afraid to express herself. You can see her creativity all over her studio. Her studio is this shed in the backyard of her Madison County acreage. It doesn't look like a TV studio, and that's the whole point. What she does at her home, you can do at your home.
My set isn't perfect all the time. Sometimes there's a mess. My tools aren't brand new right out of the package. Some of them have rust on them. You know, my paintbrushes are maybe a little crusty on the end. But I work with what I have.
And there's lots of work to do. Several miles away from the studio shed in the town of Van Meter, her growing staff have already put together 65 shows, and they're working on 65 more.
They've put us on every day, and they've ordered a lot of shows, so they're keeping us very busy. Be there with me, coming up next on DIY Network, and have a creative day.
Now, the show begins in 2 weeks on the DIY Network, and as far as HGTV, the first week of October. Cynthia?
I can't wait to watch it. And Jeff, how does she come up with some of the stuff she does?
I have no idea how she does it. She says that's actually for her the easy part. Now, sometimes she just puts something in front of her if she needs to come up with an idea like just a piece of copper tubing or PVC or even just some rocks, and somehow she makes something out of it.
And that's why she says, have a creative day.
Absolutely. She's very creative.
Thank you, Jeff.